back here on Joe's Avanti. We've got our new master and our rebuilt booster. We ended up getting this from Dan because Advantage West dropped the ball. So, got it from Dan. Dan took care of us, got it out here to us in a timely manner. Got the master bolted to the booster. Gonna hook all this up. Mount it up. Just gotta go do our fittings down yonder there. And then Joe and I can play Bleed the System. All right, got our fittings hooked up. We're gonna bench bleed on the car. Joe, would you like to do the honors of slowly pressing the pedal? Slowly, there you go. That's all air, buddy. There you go. And then when you get to the bottom, sit for a second.
I'm at the bottom.
Okay. Come back up slow. Alright. Okay, do that about 60 times and you should be good. Joe's getting leg day today. There you go. Lots of air. Okay, keep going. Okay, let me put some fluid in.
But where is the fluid going?
Into the master cylinder itself. It's filling it and bleeding all the air out. There's a lot of dead space in there.
That's 2.
Yep, about 58 more to go. Now, sometimes you can get away with about 30. All right, so go ahead. There you go. All right. Now, Joe, when this is all done, you'll be able to, when the video is uploaded, you'll be able to watch this end, and you'll be like, that's what I was doing. It actually helps it make a lot of sense when you watch it up here. Keep going. Now it's all small bubbles, so it's actually displacing the fluid back into the reservoir, as before it was displacing it back into the master because it had, you know, because it was so full of air. There you go, nice and slow. Just do them nice and slow like that. Right, so you watched Joe and I bench bleed, and we also did my other old famous trick. Because this fitting is vertical, obviously when you separate it, the fluid level is going to stay at the top of the line, right at the flare. So you're not introducing air into any part of the system because that's the highest point. So after we bench bled with our looped part that I made, it obviously drips fluid down. I had Joe holding the pedal down, by the way. Drips fluid down, so it's always clearing it so there's no air. So once that's tight and Joe lifts up his foot, it draws fluid from in the line. And that's how you don't have to bleed the system sometimes, saving time. Now we've made our booster hose. There, we're good. Horn works now. So, Joe, we had an adventure this afternoon with the horn of trying to make it so it doesn't honk while we steer. So 4 trips to the store later, and we got it. And it's perfect. Happy, happy.